We are going to create an HTML signature for a MacMail account. The first thing you want to do is to open your text edit program and go into your preferences for that program and restore all defaults. Then you want to go to the New Documents tab and you want to choose Plain Text. You want to click on Open and Save, and you want to display HTML files as HTML code. And then you want to close your preferences. At this point, we want to open our MacMail account, and we want to go to our preferences. And we want to choose our signatures. And today I am going to create a signature for my Huth and Booth account. So I am going to click here. It creates a new signature. I'm going to come over and click in the box to make that signature active, and then I am going to close the account, and I'm also going to close the program. At this point, I'm going to go into my text edit program and I'm going to open my HTML signature. So I'm going to go to the folder where I find the HTML code, and I choose that folder and I click and open it. And here we have my signature for the HTML. Now I am going to click on my desktop and I'm going to do the keystrokes of Shift Command G, which brings up the hidden folder of the library, and I'm going to click Go. Once I have that window open, I'm going to go to the Mail folder, and from the Mail folder I am going to open the V2 folder, and from there I am going to open the Mail Data folder. In the Mail Data folder resides a folder called Signatures, and I'm going to open that folder as well. Now, the top signature is going to be the last, because I have my files in order by last created. I am going to choose the last signature right here, the Mail Sig ending on this file, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to open with Other. I'm going down to my text edit program and I'm going to open that file in text edit. Here we have the new signature that we just created, and here we have the HTML signature. I am going to choose from the arrow before body to the arrow after body, and I am going to do Control or Command C for copying. I'm then going to go into the signature we just created and select from the body down through the arrow after body, the arrow before to the arrow after, and I'm going to do Command V, and that pastes the new signature into that folder. I'm going to go up and I'm going to save that file. That puts it at the top of my list here, showing that it was the last thing that was edited. I am going to right click on it and I'm going to Get Information. In the Get Information window, I am going to click the lock, and I'm going to lock this file so that the program can make no changes to that file. Then I'm going to close all of the windows. And I'm also going to close the text edit program. Now I will reopen the Mail program, and I will go up to Mail Preferences. Again, I am back in my signatures preferences, and I'm going to choose Huth and Booth, and I'm going to go to number 7, which was the signature that I just created, and here is the signature I just pasted. You will notice that in this signature the photograph has a question mark in the center of it and does not show. However, When you actually write the email, that will show the photograph that you have linked to this HTML. No problem. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go into the program, and I'm going to create a new email. And when that email comes up, there's nothing here. Let me put this over a little bit. But I'm going over here under signatures, and I'm going to choose signature number 7, which is the one we just created with the HTML. And there it is. So now I am ready to send my email, and I have my HTML signature right there. If you run your cursor over the image, it shows you what your signature, HTML signature, is linked to, and it is linked to my eCard at ecardpro.net.